upon a time, I think that there was a pool here in my yard, and I want there to be a pool again. So let's put a pool there. Underneath the pool, I'm gonna put down this plastic straw rug just to protect the liner. This is the third straw plastic rug that I have bought. I have one on my porch, I have one for my camper, and now I have one that I'm gonna put underneath the pool. These rugs are great because the water just drains right through them instead of getting sopping wet. Okay, I have the straw rug put down. The corner of the rug has a little loop if you want to stake it down. I don't think I'm gonna need to because I'm gonna put the pool over it and I don't think it's gonna blow away. But it's nice to have that option. Okay, I have the 10-foot INTEX pool, so I'm gonna set it up. Let's check it out. I definitely recommend having a table nearby to put your owner's manual and everything else. Here's the filter and the filter drain pipes. These are the feet for the bottom of the vertical pool legs. The thicker poles are the horizontal beams and the skinnier ones are the vertical beams for the pool legs. All of the pool filter accessories come in this box, which is nice because it's separated. And here is the pool liner. And these are the T-joints. Okay, it looks like there's an owner's manual for the pool and for the filter. So I'm gonna read through them and here we go. First, I'm gonna spread out the pool liner and I'm gonna locate the drain plug and I'm gonna face that in the direction I intend to drain the pool at the end of the season. And here is what the drain plug looks like. Let's start putting this thing together. Okay, I have my horizontal beams clicked into my T-joints and I made sure that the drain or filter holes are like facing in the general direction of my power source. Okay, before I attach the vertical beam, it wants me to put the little feet on. So that's what I'm gonna do. Snapping the feet on the bottom of the vertical pool legs is not that easy. You kind of have to manhandle them on there, but they will go on. And I slide the leg under the pool belt and into the T-joint. To start setting up the filter, connect the inlet jet nozzle to the inlet air adapter. And don't forget to first connect the air jet valve to the top of the inlet air adapter. Next, you're going to connect the strainer connection to the strainer grid. You'll connect the two of these to the lower pump connections. Make sure these are fastened in really tightly. And next, we are going to connect our hoses. Make sure to connect your hose clamps really tightly so that you don't have any leaking. Your lower pump hoses will deliver water to the filter, and the upper hose connections will bring water, the clean water, back to the pool. So we are going to go through and connect all of the hoses and the hose clamps. Don't forget to snap on your air jet valve cap. And as your pool fills with water, you want to adjust the pool legs so that they're perpendicular with the ground. So let's start filling. After about 3 hours, the water should be at about the level of the lower hose connections to the filter. I put my filter on a little table just so it wasn't resting on the ground. So the water is filling the lower hoses, but hasn't yet reached the upper hose, nor has it filled the filter quite yet. Let's give it a little more time. After about 5 hours, the pool is all filled up. Once your water is an inch or two above the upper pump connections, you're pretty much full. Now it's time to go over to the filter and close the air release valve on the top. You just screw it tight. Do not close the air release valve until the water has reached the upper pump connection and the filter is filled with water. Now you're ready for the dip in the pool you've been waiting for.